What if you could build a full funnel in minutes instead of hours? In this video, I'll show you how to use GoHighLevel AI Funnel Builder to get a funnel fast without starting from scratch. Let's be honest. Building funnels manually can eat up a ridiculous amount of time. You're writing copy, setting up pages, clicking through settings, and before you know it, a quick funnel turns into a half-day project. That's where GoHighLevel AI Funnel Builder comes in. It gives you a much faster way to create the first version, clean it up, and get it live without doing every single step the hard way. Here's how to use the AI Funnel Builder feature. First, head into Agency View and open Settings. From there, go to Labs in the left sidebar, open the Sub-Account tab, search for the feature, and click Activate Feature. Then scroll through the sub-account list. Choose the accounts that should get access and click Save. Next, jump into the sub-account where you want to build the funnel. Open Sites and click the Funnels tab. Then hit New Funnel button. From the options, choose Funnel AI and click Continue. Now you can generate the funnel, pick either Assist or Build mode. Go through the wizard or just enter your prompt in this area and click Generate. Once your page is created, use chat mode to refine the content, layout, or messaging. Then, open the page settings, review the SEO suggestions, and when everything looks good, click Publish. That's the whole flow. Let's say you've got a new lead magnet, a workshop, or a simple offer you want to launch fast. Instead of staring at a blank page and building the whole funnel piece by piece, you can use GoHighLevel AI Funnel Builder to generate the first draft for you. Then jump into chat mode to tighten up the message and make it fit your offer. It's a faster way to go from, I should build this to, this thing is live. So if you've been putting off building funnels because it takes too long, this is your shortcut. Turn on GoHighLevel AI Funnel Builder, generate your first draft, clean it up, and get it live. Simple as that! If you found this helpful and want more quick, practical tutorials, hit like, subscribe, and share this video. I'll see you in the next one.